Okay. So, this video is a continuation of the first part sa determination of centroid sa solid of revolution. Okay. So, for this one, we're going to solve additional problems para ma-reinforce ang katong problem nga na-solve last sa previous sa part 1. Uh, First problem is this one. Find the centroid of the solid of revolution generated by revolving the given region bounded by y equal to x squared, y equal to x plus 2, about the line y equal to 4. So first, i-graph na to ang curves. Y equal to x squared is a parabola opening upward. Uh, and then we have this line y equal to x plus 2. The slope is 1 positive. So this one, upward to the right with a y-intercept of 2. So there's a mo intersection 2 and then upward. Ana. So this is our bounded region. And we're going to revolve this area about the line y equal to 4. Okay. So, yeah, okay. Ang reason na ni coincide siya is if you will equate this one, point of intersection y equal to x squared and y equal to x plus 2. Makuha ni mo nga the y coordinate of this point is y coordinate is equal to 4. Okay. So we are going to revolve this area about this one, about the line y equal to 4. So again, as I have shared to you sa part 1 na kung unsa na axis sa axis of revolution, our strip should be perpendicular para mas easier sa X sub EL. Okay. Easier. But of course, for this bounded region, to avoid a split, vertical strip ta. If you analyze a horizontal strip, mag-split mag-split ka dire. So, para dili na mag-split, vertical strip. Okay. So, let's label X up, Y up, X down, Y down. And thickness strip dx. Okay. So, height sa strip na to, it's y up minus y down. So, pag revolve, this is our element. Okay. Circular ring. And para sa volume, of course, we need the outer radius and the inner radius. The outer radius is this. From this line, 4 up to this one. So, it's 4 minus y down. Because ang kining y down is referred sa x-axis. Bali, this one is y down. So, ang distance anina point to y equal to 4, it's 4 minus y down. This one. Okay. And for the outer radius is 4 minus y up. Okay, y up is this point. Ang y up niya is referred sa x man. So, this is y up. Y up. So therefore, this distance is 4 minus y up, pinili distance. So when you solve for the volume sa circular ring, this one. Pi outer radius squared minus inner radius squared dx. So pag integrate, need na to ang limit sa x. Okay, this one and then this one. So, kuha na to ang points of intersection. Points of intersection is Equate na to y equal to y. X squared equal to x plus 2 and then transpose. And then factor out. And we have x equal to 2 and x equal to negative 1. So, kinina point, kana, when x is 2, y is 4. And the other one, when x is negative 1, when x is negative 1, it's y is positive 1. Kana. So, we can now integrate this one and we can replace y down. Our down is blue, this one, x squared, and our up is straight line, red, and it's equal to x plus 2. Okay. So, sorry, this is dx, dx. Typo error, no, dx, okay, dx. Sorry. Again, this is dx. So, um, we expand this one. Perfect square trinomial, 4 squared. The middle term is 2 times the product of the two terms. 4 times negative x squared times 2. We have this one. And then the third term is square, positive. And then this one, perfect square trinomial also, squares of 4, 16. Multiply the two terms and then times 2. We have this. And then square and then. And 16 will be cancelled. And simplify. Again, dx, typo error. Negative 8 x squared plus x raised to 4. Negative times negative, you have plus, and positive times negative, negative. And then simplify again, distribute 8, and then, okay. Wait, let's expand this perfect square trinomial. X squared times negative, negative. Middle term is x times 2, 4x times negative, so negative 4x. Square of this 4 times negative, negative 4. And then the next part is simplify, combine like terms. You will have this, okay? And um, we integrate, okay, we integrate using power rule. And then evaluate from lower limit to upper limit. Dx man ta, so it's from negative 1 to positive 2. Okay? And our volume is 108 over 5 pi. So after this, we solve for x bar. X bar because our axis of revolution is a horizontal line. So horizontal x bar lang. Our y bar is equal to 4. Z bar equal to 0. Okay. X bar. Again, our x sub EL is simply x lang. Eh? Mm. X lang kay. Base pa daan sa rectangular strip. Our x sub EL for a vertical strip, if you can remember sa Centroid area, for a vertical strip, x sub EL is simply equal to x. Same result sa circular ring na to. So, And then this one, simplified na ni sa volume. Okay? Simplified sa volume. So, this one, pi x raised to 4 minus 9x squared. This one. Then we just insert x sa x sa BL. So we distribute x and then we integrate. X times x raised to 4, x raised to 5 dx. Sorry again, this is dx. I have x raised to 6 over 6. And also with the other terms. And then we evaluate. Okay. And then simplify these terms, equate sa left side, we have this. So ang total aning tanan is 27 over 4. And cancel tag pi. And then 27 over 4 divided by 108 over 5. Our x bar is 5 over 16. So, bali ang coordinate sa sentro dani will be 5 over 16, 4, 0. So, x bar 5 over 16, y bar is 4. Kaya ang y ani 4 man, z bar equal to 0. Okay. And another example, another problem is find the centroid of the solid of revolution generated by revolving the given region bounded by y equal to 4x minus x squared and the x-axis about the y-axis. Okay, so before nato ma-plot ne, let's convert this one or transform this one to its standard form. Ang standard equation of a parabola is this. For x squared, x squared. So, pag positive, opening upward, negative, opening downward. So, let's rearrange this one. X squared minus 4y, and transpose y, negative y. And then, let's complete the square para ma-perfect square trinomial. So, we add a third term, same with the right side. So our third term is equal to 4 over 2, 2, and then squares, 4, and then we add the same numbers on right side, 4. So ang left side is already a perfect square. X minus 2 squared. And then you extract the negative sign sa y para naka-parenthesis. The result is this. So therefore, the parabola opens down, is opening downward, and the vertex is at 2, 4. Ang default niya is negative and daan. So 2, 4 siya. And it's opening downward. So i-plot na to, mag-open siya. Okay. Maagis na sa origin because when you substitute x equal to 0, if x is 0, y is also equal to 0. Okay. So you have this line, the x-axis. So this is the bounded region. Yeah. So money ang point of intersection niya, kana origin. The other point is when y equal to 0, another x is 4. So y equal to 0, you transpose x squared equal to 4x. You can cancel x. What remains is x equal to 4. And then this one, vertex 2, 4. So this is our bounded region. Okay? And it revolves as a y. Now this time, it was a y, no? So, our strip is parallel. Okay? Parallel siya. Dili na perpendicular. No? Okay. Parallel. Let's try parallel na one. The strip is parallel sa axis of revolution. Label x up, y up. Here, our y down is 0. So this will be x down 0. Dx. So, we have this one x. And then, ang height sa strip na to, supposed to be is y up minus y down. But then, our y down is 0 man. So, y up lang. Or simply y. Pwede ra y. Okay, so pag revolve, this is our Elementary volume or differential volume, cylindrical shell. We have radius of x, ang height niya is y, and ang thickness niya is dx. So, volume sa cylindrical shell is circumference times height of strip times thickness. This one. So, height, circumference, thickness. And dx man ta, our limit is from 0 to 4 x. So, we replace y by x from the equation. Y is simply 4x minus x squared. It's very simple. You just distribute x and then we integrate using power rule. Distribute and then integrate and then evaluate from lower to upper limits. And our volume is 128 over 3 pi. Okay. Now, since our axis of revolution is the y-axis, which is vertical, then ang isolve na to is y bar kay vertical man, vertical strip y bar. Ang x bar na to 0 kay ang x ani na line 0 man. So x bar 0, z bar 0 sa y bar lang atong ano. So we solve for y bar. Okay. What's a BL? Okay. Now, our what's a BL is average na. Okay? Kinama din itong elemento. So, maski pag i-revolve ni siya, this one, again this is the x-axis, oh. This is the x-axis. Ang centroid aning cylindrical shell is naman dire. And our y sa BL is of course 1/2 sa y. Ba? Naman dire ang centroid niya, oh. And of course, atong x sa BL, 0. Kini coincide sa y-axis. So, this is our y sub EL. And that's 1/2 of y. Okay. So, y sub EL is 1/2 of y. And then our dV, of course, volume sa shell, which is height sa strip, circumference, thickness. And makancelan to. And we have this one, pi x y squared dx. You replace y by x, substitute this one, equation sa parabola. So, expand saan siya daan? Expand first before i-distribute ng x. So, pwede rin, expansion. Perfect square trinomial, 4x squared, 16x squared times x, 16x cubed. Middle term, 4x times negative x squared. That's negative 4x cubed times 2. Negative 8x cubed times x, negative 8x raised to 4. And then square of this, x raised to 4 times x, x raised to 5. And then integrate. And then evaluate from lower to upper limits. Simplify and then equate sa left side. Okay? And then cancel pi. Y bar is equal to 8 over 5. So, this will be the result. Okay, this one. If your strip is parallel sa axis. Okay, good for this because the other end of the strip touches the x-axis and therefore the lower value of y is 0. Pero if the area is bounded by two curves, y up plus y down over 2, mas complicated siya compared sa kung ang strip is perpendicular sa axis of revolution. So para mas simpler ang solution, much better na you will analyze a strip which is perpendicular sa axis of revolution. So that's the suggestion or technique. Eh. But then again, sa centroid sa solid of revolution, you will only solve for one coordinate. The other coordinates you can determine directly. Eh. You can determine directly. So to recap, if the axis of revolution is horizontal, you will only solve for x bar. Okay? And similarly, if the axis of revolution is vertical, you will only solve for y bar. The other coordinates, makuha ra dito. You can determine it directly by inspection. So, I hope that you have understand this one, this problem. Thank you for watching.